So basically, when you read the requirements, you need to read what is the objective is looking from the website or the application. This is the most important. You read the title, you read the description, which is objective. Then the second part is you need to understand this part as well. Okay, this part prerequisite, because that's the important part. And you need to understand this part very well. Very, very, very well, you need to understand this. There is no other way you can learn an application, you can test an application, you can develop an application, or you can do anything unless you understand the dependency of each of the user story. Okay, this part is very important. And because this is for the testing, you need this. For the developing, you need this. And the last part is your acceptance criteria. Acceptance criteria is, if I do all of this, what I'm expecting, or what will be the outcome. That's called the acceptance criteria. Acceptance criteria is written for the positive scenario, for the negative scenario. For many like the user story, the product owner write the details acceptance criteria. So let's read this. As a buyer, I should be able to see all featured product on the website. That's it. That's it. So the user story is, as a buyer, I should be able to see all the featured products on the website. So now you say, if I do not understand the featured means some highlighted product. So to do this, if I read this, I should see this prerequisite is wrong. Okay, must be registered with a valid email password. But if you read this, I should be able to see on the website, this is wrong. This is correct. This is wrong. This is correct. This is correct. Somehow. So now let's go one by one. See how I read it. I did not do this. I did not look at this requirement before. I allow them just to write. How? Well, if I want to see a product, why I need to register? No reason to do this, but they just copy and paste. Why? That's what they do. It happened. So once you read this, then you can raise the question. Once you read properly, you raise the question. So I read it now and I understand, okay, featured product on the website, there's nothing to register. If I buy, then I need to register. Yes, of course, you need to go to the internet. I don't think it is matter, but it's fine. I know I don't need to be logged in on this website. I don't need to. And seller must create the product. That is true. Seller has to create the product and they make to product as a feature product. That is important. And seller must upload product in bulk. And seller can upload product in a bulk or in a single. Bulk means so many products you are uploading. So as I'm reading this user story, I don't know what is the dependency for this too. I don't know. But let's go with this. The buyer navigate to the website and the buyer can see the all feature product on the website. That is correct. Buyer should be able to navigate to the website and explore the product name on the search bar. Buyer can see the feature product. I don't know that. Maybe if the buyer searches the product by category, buyer can see all the feature product. That's maybe correct. If the buyer sort the product, also can see the feature product. That's correct. Buyer should be able to find all the ways, see the feature product on the website. So these are the way you can test it. This actually your test cases. They're giving some type of idea how to test this. What are some scenario they are expecting from this. So now it's an example. If you want to test this out, it's an example. Now you understand this. Let's go a little bit far away. So for this, you need to create an API. So API endpoint is /API/product/getFeature, which is you can find out in the Swagger. Once a developer develop, they actually add on this API on the Swagger. So this is a get method. Get means you are reading this method. Okay. Get, when you do the get, there is no parameters. There is actually no parameters for this. Content type is application.json, which is document content type. And if you see this product, 200 okay, 400 bad request. I don't know what is the 400 means, but for this, there is no 400 maybe, I don't know. But let's go here. If the seller does not upload a product, Or if the seller does not say a product as a featured product, you cannot see it. This is actually your goal to identify. So now, for this user story, you need to become familiar with the seller portal as well, so that you can be actually test the buyer portal properly. Because if you do not understand the seller portal requirements, maybe the buyer portal requirements will be like just reading a book. And that's the reason it is important to read the details user story, ask the question, and go back to the dependency. Okay,